Hello my viewers, welcome back to Wakio Kitchen. Today we are going to make yams. In my country we call them nduma. So you start by cutting your nduma or your yam. If you call it something else, just let me know at the comments below. Peel it really good. After you peel it, wash it, then cut it in pieces. Cut it in small pieces, put it in a pot, put some salt and boil. Cut it in pieces, put it in the pot and boil, and some salt, and then boil it. So you'll keep on testing it, either with a fork or with that poking thing. So long as you are lifting it like that, it's not all the way cooked. It's cooked, but not what you want for mashing. So until the time you can poke it and you can lift it up like that, then you know it's cooked all the way. So you see, starting to get soft, but still cook some more. You see, even it's turning color, so you can tell it's way cooked, really good. So you drain the water, and that's how it looks. Now I'm cutting my cilantro, so I'm removing the sticks and chop in very small pieces. Cilantro, which is dania in my country, Kenya. Then you get your greeny leafy onions. Remove the bulbs or the balls, whatever you call it, but those bulbs, remove them. Just remain with the greeny part. Cut it in very small pieces. Then put it aside. Then now get your masher. I have two. I wasn't sure which one is going to work better. Then start mashing. Mash. 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 So I'm taking the other masher now. The other one is stronger, this one is stronger. So I add coconut milk. Or you can use the regular milk. I don't do milk myself. I'm lactose intolerant. You can even use water if you want. It's your food. You can cook the way you want. And there's no measurements. You can cook for 10 people, 20, 100, depending with the size of your family. Now I take a cooking stick and make sure it's all mashed. Then I put some coconut oil. Pamper your food. Love your food, pamper it. Show it some love. Then now bring your green leafy onion. Mix it really good. Then bring your cilantro now. Put some cilantro. Mix it together. Mix it, mix it, mix it. So after this, the food is ready. If you want to serve it, for me, I can serve it with chicken. I served it with chicken here. You can serve it with beans. You can serve it with anything. So this is yam. Yam is full of iron. Very rich in iron. It's wonderful food instead of eating some other carbs. This is good carbs. It's a root. So good for something else. I won't say it here. So this is ready. You can call it mashed yam or ground. See, it's good and ready. So you can stop here if you're just making food. But I'm going to continue and make snacks out of it. Now, I'm serving it here with chicken. The baked chicken. If you have not watched this chicken of ginger chicken, you need to go and watch that. Don't miss that. Okay, now we are coming back to make the snacks. Do this for your children. Make those small balls there. Now get flour. This all-purpose flour. I am adding red pepper. That's just me. You can do it. If you have children, you can do that because they can't eat that spicy thing. So mix it. You don't want it runny and you don't want too thick at the same time because you want to cover, you want to coat your yam balls. So I'm draining it there so it has a cover. Then on top I'm putting coconut flakes. Then I put it aside. You repeat the same thing over and over. So I do it here in two ways. So this one, see how it looks? So there are some I poured dry flour on top. I'll show you when I'm baking them because I wanted to see the difference. I've never done this. This is my first time. That's how I play in kitchen. I play with kitchen a lot because I don't want to cook the way my grandmother cooked. Hello, it's digital. So you put them there in hot oil and you turn them. Look how they're looking, my people. Now these are snacks. Put them in your lunch bag, snack them at work. See, they're turning brown. Okay, so these ones I put some dry flour on top. These ones. After I put the flakes, I put them dry flour because they were getting wet. Remember, it's my first time doing this thing. I'm sure next time I'll be a pro. So those are the ones with dry flour. These ones, they don't have dry flour. So they leaked a little bit in the oil. There was some leakage. But the taste is, look at that. Oh Lord, look at that. My people. I'm salivating. It's delicious. And that's how it looks. Stay connected. This channel, I try new things. God bless you so much. Keep watching. Never stop staying healthy. God bless you so much. I love you all. Bye.